Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic how to update from Samsung One UI 7 to One UI 8 actually. So recently in my mobile it is notified me to update to One UI 8. So I will show you first what is the current version in my mobile actually. So for that open settings and navigate to the about phone. Tap on the About Phone and scroll down. Tap on Software Information. Here you can see now. Right now the current version is OneUI version 7.0 and the Android version is 15. So after I update this one, it will change to OneUI 8 and Android version also it will change to 16. So I will update now to OneUI 8 and I will also show you what are the features introduced and how is the design is looking like. So I will show you the new features in the OneUI 8 after it is got installed actually. So let me update to the latest version. So for that you need to tap on this software updates and just let me change the settings before I turn off the auto download actually. So let me change it to the using Wi-Fi only and let me tap on the download and install. So it will take some time actually to download and install actually. Please wait some time. Let's wait for some time. It is still downloading. 44% finished actually. And after it got restarted, it will update to one UI 8 actually, and the Android 16 version. See actually what are the how the design look like and what are the new features introduced in this version actually on UI 8. The download is finished now. Just please restart the mobile. It is asking for the restart. Please tap on restart now. Now the phone is restarted, guys. Now we will see the latest features in the One UI actually. Let me navigate to the settings, open settings first, and navigate to the About Phone. Tap on this About Phone and tap on the software information. So now you can see here actually. Now it is updated to One UI 8 version actually. Before it is 7. Now it is updated to 8 version. And the Android version also it is updated. Before it is actually it is 15. Now it is updated to 16 actually. You can observe here. Now I will explain the features introduced with this update actually. If you want to check actually the features introduced with this update, you can open settings. You can see here also tips and the user guide. If you tap on this, it will display the what are the features introduced in this update. Actually, you can directly dig into this tips actually, and you can see the what are the features introduced with this update. Also, you can check yourself also in your mobile. You can open each and everything. You can check the what are the features introduced with this update also. So I will explain now what are the features. First thing is actually you can please open the phone dialer. Open the phone dialer. Now you can check the now there is a new feature in this call options actually. So tap on these three dots and open settings. Here you can see actually call captions. So it is introduced with this OneUI 8. So this is the new feature actually. So to enable this feature, tap on this one and enable this one. So what is the use of this feature is actually, so you can, it is asking for the language, select the language actually and tap on OK. So what is the use of this feature is, you can check the conversation during the calls actually. So whenever you speaking with the persons actually, whenever you speaking with the persons actually, so you can check the conversations also using these features. So actually some when you speaking with the some any persons actually, so there is any disturbance or voice breaking, so without missing any word with the your contact, you can check the written conversation during the call actually. So that is the use of this call captions feature. Please try this feature actually, call captions. Enable this feature. To enable this feature, you can check about the call conversation during call written conversation during the call actually. I didn't try actually. Please try this feature call caption. You can check the written conversation during the call. This is the one feature, the phone dialer. And next thing is you can check the you can select the area actually using this feature. So drag on this one, drag to the slide bar. So in the slide bar you can see here, you can check the area actually. And here you can see actually this is the new feature actually. So you can select the area actually using this AI feature actually. You can select the area also. You can see here when you drag this slide bar, you can select the area also with this AI select feature actually. So select this one AI select. So you can select the screen actually. The screen, how much area you want to select, you can select using this feature. This is the good feature in this one. After you drag this, you can set as a wallpaper also. After you select the screen, you can do the things whatever you want. This field with the AI select actually. That is the one feature, one good feature, AI select feature actually. You can select the area of the screen actually, and you can set as a wallpaper also using that feature. That is the good feature. And another thing is you can see now actually the calculator. The calculator actually, if you open calculator before it is, if you when you tap on the scientific calculator, it will move into the landscape actually. But they developed this one. Now it is when you tap on this one scientific calculator, when you tap on this scientific calculator, now it is remain stay in the portrait mode only, portrait view only. That is the one development they brought with this one UI feature. And in the alarms also, you can make the alarm, like you can group the alarms also. When you create alarms actually. So navigate to the alarms. Navigate to alarms here, open alarms. So for example, I just turn on the lot of alarms here. If you tap and hold here, you can see the option actually group. So you can create a group, and in the group also you can merge all these alarms also. So I created a group, and you can merge all the groups. I mean, you can merge all these alarms in as a single group also here. Is the good feature. So if you tap on these three lines also, you can see here alarm groups. So if you want to add it, let me tap on edit. Like this, you can select all these things, select all these alarms, and you can create a single group also. So let me, I after enable this all alarms, I just creating another group actually, but I am adding all these alarms in single group actually. So all these alarms move to one group actually now. Mm. Now if you want to tap, if you want to turn off this all alarms, you can turn off with a single tap here actually. So now with a single tap, you can turn on, you can turn off also actually. Single tap, you can turn off also. You can see here now. With a single tap, you can turn off also. You need to don't sell. You don't need to sell each alarm one by one. With a single tap, you can alarm. You can turn off the all the alarms also. That is the one good feature in the alarm. And let me the settings also they brought one feature actually in the Google services. Open settings and navigate to the Google services. So navigate to the Google service. So here they brought the advanced feature actually. So tap on this alarm all service. Scroll down. The scroll down you can see here actually. Just scroll down you can see the advanced production. So they introduced this advanced production with this one UA8 actually. So tap on this device production. So turn on, tap on, turn on. So after you tap on, turn on, you can see here you can it provides the device safety and it provides the apps also, product the network also. This is the one good feature actually, advanced production. And if you navigate to the lock on screen, yeah, here also it introduced the now bar actually. If you want to enable the now bar, this you can enable this now bar also actually. This is the one good feature also. So after you open the settings, tap on this lock screen on the AOD and tap on this now bar, and you can enable this now bar also. By default, it is already enabled actually. You can, in case if it is not enabled, you can enable this one now bar also. This is the one good feature. And the Quickshare also, when you share the files with the Quickshare, so they brought a change in the Quickshare app also. So for example, I'm changing the I'm sharing the file with anybody actually. So that means I'll get to the gallery, tap on gallery, and for example, I want to share this document. I want to share this image. So tap on share and tap on quick share. So with the quick share, actually, the you can see the send and receive in the same window actually. Before it is not visible like this send and receive. So now you can see the send and receive. Tell the content, any content, and you can see the send and receive in the same window actually. This is the one new feature in the Quickshare actually. And another thing is they brought a new clock in the screen lock actually. So when you lock the screen, actually they brought a screen lock actually. For, right now I'm unable to show here because when I'm locking the screen, it is not displaying. Let me share the thing actually. 1 second. Let me navigate to the gallery. The screen lock actually they brought this feature actually. With the screen lock, you can adjust the screen clock without disturbing the image actually. This is the one good feature actually. So you can adjust this one, the screen clock without disturbing your wallpaper. So this is the one good feature actually, the screen clock. And in the wallpapers also, you can tell the you can set the colors also in the wallpapers. Tap on the change wallpapers. You can change the colors also in the background. It will suggest actually the lock screen or home screen. Tap on next. So in this way, you can change the wallpaper also, wallpaper colors also. Tap on done. And another feature is it is about split view actually. Before also one UI 7 also the split view is available. But in this one, let me open some apps actually. Let me open one app. So you can use the split view in this way actually. So you can drag down to the, so you can open the two apps at a time. Before also in OneUI 7 also it is available, but in the OneUI 8 you can completely drag into the down, and you can use the ratio like 90-10 also in the 90-10 ratio also here like this. This is the, and you can entirely drag the total one app into the like this. This is the one feature, good feature about the split view actually in the OneUI 8. And another thing is if you open the, to navigate to the My Files, tap on My Files, to tap on something downloads. So here you can, they say aggregated actually, they segregated actually each by division actually, like from Chrome, how many files you downloaded. So from Gmail, how many you can separate the files using this view also here. So you can see here from like LinkedIn, how many documents you downloaded. You can check the all the things like this way actually. This is, they redesign this my file section. I mean in the, they redesign this download view in the my file section actually. This is the one good feature actually. And some features also they brought actually, but right now it is not visible in my mobile. For example, actually, if you navigate to the settings, if you have the Galaxy Buds like that, so before actually you need to navigate to the, before actually when you after when you turn on this Bluetooth actually you have the Galaxy Buds, before you need to navigate to the Galaxy wearable actually, Galaxy wearable app, but right now you don't need to navigate to the Galaxy wearable app actually. Directly it will display in the, directly it will display in the current settings only. But right now it is not visible in my settings. I don't know the reason, but in case if you have, you can check it here. Directly if you have the earbuds, it will directly display here actually. Another good feature is to, if you just navigate to the, if you just open this quick start menu, to open this quick start menu, in the quick start menu, you can see here the secure folder actually. So if you turn on the secure folder, so you can secure the apps, and you can secure the folders also. Whatever you can move the apps and folders to the, after you enable the secure folder. So if only you can have the access to the secure folder actually. So tap on the secure folder. Please tap on the secure folder, and just whatever you want to, I touched wrong one, sorry. You can see here the secure folder is there. Tap on the secure folder. After you tap on the secure folder, so open the secure folder. So you can now It is asking to set the fingerprint or password. That I will creating the pattern. It is asking for the yellow locks. Visit and Samsung account. So tap on yellow. Tap on next. So here you can check the yellow background activity while locked. Tap on next. Tap on open. I mean, in case if you want to hide this secure folder also, you can secure. I mean, you can, if you want to hide this secure folder also, you can hide actually. Tap on done. So these are the, right now only these are the folders in the secure folder actually. So these apps are not visible to the other persons actually. So only you can have access. So in case if you want to have access, tap on the secure folder. Only you will have this access to the secure folder actually. Let me navigate to the settings once. Open settings. Navigate to the security and privacy. Here you can find the secure folder also, but right now it is hidden. You can enable in this the security settings actually. Here you can see the more security settings. You can see the secure folder. So right now it is hidden, right? In this way you can enable here. If you are, so if in case if you cannot see in the quick start menu, yes, if you cannot see in the quick start menu, you can come to the security settings. The security settings you can find this. The more security settings you can find this secure folder actually. That's about secure folder. And the other last update is they brought the weather information also. They brought unique actually. So open the weather information. Tap on this weather information. Tap on this weather information. The weather information also they brought the new look actually. You can see here. That's it guys. If you like this video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. And for more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.